Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about a bioinformatics software which is used for molecular docking and visual screening. Molecular docking is a method which predicts the preferred orientation of one molecule to the second when bound each other to form a stable complex. Visual screening is a computational technique used in drug discovery to search libraries of small molecules to identify those structures which are most likely to bind to a target. One such software in bioinformatics is called Pyrex. Pyrex is an open source visual screening software with an easy user interface that allows it to run on all major operating systems. This is a Pyrex open window. We can able to see several options like file, edit, view, help. There is a navigator bar and there is a view window. There are some other options for the docking analysis. Before moving to the Pyrex analysis, for docking we need some requirements, that is our protein and our ligand molecule. In this video I have taken a target molecule which is 6M0J, which is a crystal structure of SARS-CoV-2 spike receptor binding domain, and I have chosen the ligand NDG for this analysis. In the desktop, I have created a folder called docking for my input files and also for my results. Once the Pyrex is open, we need to set an output folder for our results. For that, we need to click Edit, Preferences. Here we can able to see one tab called Workspace. This represents our output folder. I have chosen docking folder for my results. In order to change this folder, we can browse and select our desired folder. Now the folder is set for the results. Once the output folder was set for the results, the next step is to load our protein molecule. First we want to open file, load molecules. This is our protein. Here is the protein structure loaded. For docking analysis, the step next to loading is pre-processing. We need to do some pre-processing step for docking. For that, we need to right click the protein, select AutoDock and make it as a macromolecule. Now our protein structure is ready for docking analysis. After loading the protein molecule, next step is we want to load our ligand molecule. For that, we need to click Open Babel, click Insert New Item, select the ligand molecule. Now we can able to see our ligand molecule in the view window. We need to do some pre-processing step, that is we need to minimize the energy of the ligand molecule. For right click the ligand, minimize selected. So these are some energy minimization parameters. We need to select the force field and algorithm, and these are some of the parameters related to energy minimization. The values which were set here was saved as a default value. In case if we want to change the value, we can change and click OK. Now the energy minimization is going on. Once the energy minimization is completed, we need to convert this file into the PDB-QT format, which is very useful for docking analysis. For that, we need to right click our ligand molecule, convert selected molecule to AutoDock ligand. Now our ligand molecule is also ready for the docking analysis. We can view by seeing this. Both the files having the extension of PDB-QT. These files are similar to our PDB format. Now we can start with docking with VINA step. For that, we need to click VINA Wizard, then click Start to proceed. Now we want to select the molecules. Protein molecules is already selected and I am choosing ligand molecule. Both ligand and proteins were selected. Click forward. Once we click forward icon, a white grid box will appear. Resize the grid box around the active site residues by dragging the white balls. Now the box has enough size to enclose all the residues. Now click Run Veena. Now the docking is running. Once the analysis is completed, we can check the results which are given below. Based on the different orientations of the ligand, the binding affinities were resulted here. Lower the binding affinity will give the better docking results, and with the orientation 0 will give the best result for docking. Now we can able to see our ligand molecule have been docked in the protein's active site. Once the docking step gets completed, we need to see the output files. For that, we need to select our output folder. Here we can able to see there were 3 extra folders created, etc., ligands and macromolecules. Click macromolecules. This is a protein folder. So these are our results, a protein and the ligand with a minimized energy. The results can be visualized and analyzed using different bioinformatics tools like Discovery Studio or PyMol. In this video, I am using PyMol for the visualization of my protein and ligand. For that, PyMol is open. Now I need to load our protein and the ligand molecule. For that, I am opening file, open, stop. I am choosing protein. Now our protein molecule gets loaded into the PyMol. Next, I want to load the ligand also. Open. We can able to see our protein and the ligand molecule together in the same window. We can analyze the protein and ligand interactions by using the command line and the graphical menus.